Hey there! Welcome to your grammar video for this week, Unit 6, Green Reading. In this lesson, we're going to talk about the uses of because and even though. Let's get started. To understand this lesson, you'll need to remember what an independent and a dependent clause is. You'll also need to remember the comma rules for these. As a reminder, a main clause is an independent clause, and a time clause is a dependent clause. You'll also need to know what cause and effect are, as well as how to use the simple present tense. So in this lesson, again, we'll talk about cause and effect. We'll talk about dependent clauses with because and even though. To understand cause and effect, you'll need to remember that the cause is the reason why something happened, and the effect is what happens. We answer why questions with a cause. For example, why did you fail? Because I didn't study. Again, not studying is the cause, and the effect is failing the exam. Some more examples. I didn't study, I failed. I exercised, I lost weight. I slept late, I missed class. Take a moment, pause the video, practice writing a few sentences using cause and effect. Because and even though are like time words. They make a dependent clause. Clauses starting with because or even though need to have an independent clause or main clause attached to them to make a complete sentence. If we use because, the main clause in the statement, the effect, and the dependent clause with because is a logical reason or cause for this effect. For example, I don't like to eat junk food because it is unhealthy. Because junk food is unhealthy, I don't like to eat it. Even though used in statements, the main clause is a statement showing effect, whereas the dependent clause with even though is an illogical reason or cause for this effect. For example, I like to eat junk food even though it is unhealthy. I don't like to eat junk food even though it is delicious. Even though it is unhealthy, I like to eat junk food. Even though it is delicious, I don't like to eat junk food. Again, because junk food is something bad, but we eat it anyway or think it's delicious, that doesn't seem to make sense. It's illogical. So we can use even though. Recognizing if the statement is positive or negative can help you figure out whether to use because or even though. For example, if both of the clauses are positive or both are negative, you will probably choose because. For example, school is easy. I love school. These are both positive, so we should use because to join these ideas. I love school because it is easy, or because school is easy, I love it. Another example, junk food is unhealthy. I don't eat junk food. Again, both negative statements. So to join them, we can use because. I don't eat junk food because it is unhealthy. Or, because junk food is unhealthy, I don't eat it. You'll have to remember that because goes with the cause, not the effect. Should be pretty easy to remember, as because has the word cause in it. Now, if one clause is positive and the other is negative, you will probably choose even though. For example, school is hard, I love school. The first statement is negative. However, the second statement, I love school, is positive. So again, these two things don't seem to match. They're illogical. So when we join them together, we use even though. For example, I love school even though it is hard. Even though school is hard, I love it. Another example, junk food is unhealthy. I love junk food. Again, junk food is unhealthy. Well, unhealthy, that's something negative. I love junk food, that's positive. Putting these statements together is done best by using even though, because usually we don't love things that are unhealthy. For example, I love junk food, even though it is unhealthy. Or even though junk food is unhealthy, I love it. So now, in order to answer questions on the exam using this grammar, you'll have to keep a few things in mind. You'll need to choose between because or even though. The people in the town don't like tourists, blank tourism brings a lot of money to the town. So again, bringing a lot of money is something good. People don't like tourists, that's something bad. So we should use be, even though, to join these two ideas. I love studying English, blank, it is really fun. Again, in this sentence, we have really fun, something good, love studying, something good. So this is probably the cause. We can use a, because, to join these two statements. Again, you will read two sentences and you have to decide which is the cause and which is the effect. Then choose if it is logical. If it's a logical cause, we use because, or illogical, then we can use even though. For example, I don't like to wear shoes from Nike. They are expensive and uncomfortable. Again, we have two negative cause and effect. So we know we can join these statements using because. Let's take a practice quiz. Pause the video, answer all the questions. Once you've finished, hit the play button and we'll discuss your answers. Question 1. Blank, he has missed many classes. His score is very high. Again, missing many classes doesn't seem to fit with a high score. Something's not right. So we know we can use even though, be, to talk about something illogical. Question 2. I want to visit Antarctica, blank, I love being a tourist in remote places. Again, want to visit Antarctica is something positive. I love being a tourist, also positive. So this must be the reason we want to visit Antarctica. So A is the correct answer. Question 3. I hate bananas. Bananas taste terrible. Again, hating bananas and tasting terrible, these are two negative things. So we probably have cause and effect. We can join with because. So C is the best answer. Question 4. I was late to class yesterday. Traffic was really bad. Again, here looking at these statements, being late to class and traffic being very bad, both are negative, so this must be a cause. We can use because to join these statements, so B is the correct answer. Question 5. I want to travel to every country. Tourism is very expensive. Again, traveling to every country, well, that sounds great. Tourism is very expensive, that doesn't sound so great. These two things don't seem to follow one another. They are illogical. So A with even though is the best answer. That's it for this lesson. As always, I hope it was useful. Class dismissed.